Welcome to this video on optimization fundamentals. After watching this video, you will be able to recall core optimization techniques for digital advertising campaigns on LinkedIn and Meta. Identify key features of audience segmentation and targeting available on LinkedIn and Meta, and describe the process and benefits of A/B testing and performance analysis in campaign optimization. Launching a digital ad campaign? That's just the first step. Imagine pouring your budget into ads that don't hit the mark, wasting money, missing your audience, and getting poor results. What if I told you there's a way to make every rupee count and keep your campaign improving daily? Welcome to the art of campaign optimization, where clever tweaks lead to big wins. First up is audience optimization. LinkedIn and Meta let you get super specific with who sees your ads. Think demographics, job titles, industries, and even psychographics on Meta. Using custom and lookalike audiences helps you expand your reach while staying relevant. On LinkedIn, avoid broad targeting, it's expensive. Instead, zero in on high-intent users like senior decision makers. Next is placement matters. Different ad spots perform differently depending on your goals. For example, LinkedIn message ads are great for direct lead generation, while sponsored content builds awareness. On Meta, you can either choose placements or let the algorithm decide. Test various placements and shift your budget to the winners. When it comes to bidding, start manually to control your cost per click or impression. Once you gather data, switch to automated bidding to maximize conversions while lowering costs. This approach helps you spend smarter and get more value from your budget. Your ad creative and copy need constant testing. Try different messages, pause what doesn't work, and focus on what grabs attention, especially in the first few seconds of video ads. Keep headlines short, professional, and data-driven to connect with your audience. Timing is everything. Analyze when your audience is most active and pause ads during low response periods. For example, if weekends show low engagement, save your budget for weekdays when clicks and conversions spike. Don't lose potential customers who showed interest but didn't convert. Use retargeting to remind and encourage them with personalized ads based on their past interactions. This keeps your brand at the top of your mind and moves the lead further down the funnel. Finally, make A/B testing your best friend. Test everything. Audiences, creatives, formats, placements, and analyze results weekly. This continuous learning helps you optimize every part of your campaign for better performance. Effective campaign optimization is all about refining your approach, targeting smarter, budgeting wisely, and crafting compelling ads. Whether you're on LinkedIn or Meta, use these tools and strategies to keep your campaigns performing at their best. In this video, you'll learn that continuous optimization is essential to improve digital ad campaign performance and maximize ROI. Audience optimization involves targeting the right people using detailed segmentation and lookalike audiences. Testing placements and adjusting budgets toward high-performing ad spots can significantly boost campaign results. Starting with manual bidding and then switching to automated bidding helps control costs while maximizing conversions. Creative testing and scheduling ads strategically ensure your messaging resonates and reaches your audience at the right time. Retargeting and continuous A/B testing are potent ways to nurture leads and keep improving campaign effectiveness.